Hello and welcome. In this how to draw video we'll be drawing Cedric the wise old elf from Ben and Holly's Little Kingdom. Now, he's a super funny character, so I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Let's get drawing. Alright, so let's start off with drawing the wise old elf's hat. So he's got a little pointy hat elf. Now you'll notice with the wise old elf, some of the lines are quite wobbly and wonky, not exactly straight. Maybe that's because he's a little bit older. Alright, so I'm going to draw a shape like that. It's kind of a triangle, but little slight wobbly lines. Then we're going to draw another line along here. So that's kind of like a fold in his elf hat. Now his elf hat, he's got a leaf sticking out as well, just like Ben does. So let's draw that. So we draw the stem of the leaf going up, and again this is a little bit wobbly as well, and we'll go to about here. And in the leaf shape, it's kind of pointed edges round like this, and down the other side, just like that. Alright, so next part we'll start on his face. So first thing I'm going to draw is his nose. So he's got quite a large pointy nose. It almost looks like a triangle, but we're only going to draw two sides of it. So we'll draw one side going down on that angle, and then another line here, and that will stop at about the same point as the start of the nose there. Okay, so that's his nose. Now the other thing I'm going to draw underneath his nose, he's got a beard and a bit of moustache. So let's draw the moustache first. It just looks like a small crescent shape or two small sort of bananas. We'll colour those in. Alright, so now I'm going to draw the rest of his head, or the shape of his head. So it comes down to a pointed end on his beard, so we're going to draw that. So we'll draw a line down this side, and it carries on behind the nose, and then a little bit here behind his moustache, and we curve down to a point there. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Nice curve around there behind that side of his moustache, and then joining up the point there. Okay, so let's draw the rest of his details on his face. We're going to draw his ears, and he's got quite pointy ears as elves do. So we draw nice pointy ears, and they're quite large actually for his face. You can kind of go straight and then a nice curve down like that. Next we draw his eyes. So he's got his eyes here, 1 and then 2, and then just a little dot in the middle, just like that. Okay, and then with his beard, he's got another little line here that separates his beard from his rest of his face. And then a big smiley face. There we go. Alright, so let's draw the rest of his body. Now it's joined out just from underneath his beard, and it looks like quite a long stretched rectangle. So we draw the bottom of his shirt there, and again the lines are a little bit wobbly, they're not perfectly straight, so you can put a slight wobble to it. And then we do one on the other side there as well. This one just starts at the back of his neck, and we'll go down there like that. He's quite a tall character actually for an elf. Alright, so let's draw his arms. So again, it's kind of a long rectangle shape, so we draw his sleeve, or the bottom of his sleeve there, and then the arms drawn up to his top of his body. And again, you can make those lines a little wobbly or wonky. They're not perfectly straight for him. And then we draw his hands. He's got 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. And then we'll just do the same on the other side there as well. So draw a line there for the bottom of his sleeves, and then we can join that up. Again, you can make the lines a little bit wobbly, wonky if you like. And then his fingers and his hands is 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty, he's starting to look good, nearly there. Next part, we're going to draw his legs. And again, just like his arms, are long stretched rectangles, and they're slightly wobbly as well. So again, we'll draw the bottom of his pants, and then we can draw a line coming down, and then the same on the other side there. And then we'll just do the same here as well. A little line on the bottom, go down, you make it a little bit wobbly, just like that. Alright, and last thing we're going to draw is his feet. So he's got some little shoes, they're kind of a bit of an oval shape, a little bit flat, kind of like a squashed oval. And then two little lines, you can see his part of his leg, or his, I guess his ankles, joining up the pants there. And we'll just same on the other side there, like that. Okay, there we go. So we've drawn the lines. Next part is to colour in. And we're done. So we've finished colouring in Wise Old Elf, and I think he looks pretty good, and he's all ready to go and annoy Nanny Plum. So thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. We've got some more Ben and Holly drawing videos as well, so please check out our channel. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!